Go download my free legato course right now and learn to play fast in the fastest way possible.
Hey, one of my favorite alternate picking exercises of all time is this one. What am I doing? I'm playing one note, but I'm playing that note with accents. So if I'm not able to do that, I can't, figure out where I am in the lick. And there's no playing anything that doesn't really add up here. That wouldn't be practicing. So I'm playing da 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 da, just on one note, right? In this case, I'm playing in the key of A minor, got the 15th, 13th, and 12th fret on the high E string and the B string, right? And then I go back. I'm just going to explain why this is so beneficial, this exercise, in a minute. But I go down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. And I have the accents. And the accents are basically me just picking the note a little harder. What does that mean? It means I dive into it just a little bit. And by, more picking depth means I have to produce more power to cross the string. This is a delicate process in the brain that you have to practice over and over and over again. It should be a lifestyle if you want to become good at alternate picking, that you're always picking. And having those accents. If you don't have the accents, the brain cannot group the notes, and you'll always be playing no faster than you can say da 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 da. Right? That's the speed that you will reach if you're not grouping the notes. By grouping them, you make three notes one entity in the brain. Right? If you're not accenting, you're just, you can't get to that kind of speed. Down, up, down, up, down, up, down. But the most important thing is actually that it's going on in your head. That you don't have to be able to actually hear the accents, but it needs to be right? I don't know if you could hear them there. So I'm able to play the same amount of notes like. Right? That was 4 times 6 notes. That is 24 notes. But I can do it. Right? Is that 1, 2, right? You need to have that kind of thing. And that's why this exercise is so beneficial. And then you alternate between just playing one note and then actually playing 6 notes down. Right, so you have that 15, 13, 12 on the high E string, 15, 13, 12 on the B string. Da 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 da. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Da 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 da. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Da 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 da. Right, and it really adds to your control. And don't fake this. Just practice it at a tempo where you can get every single thing right, and you can have the accents in your pick, in your body. You really hear them, and then just do it over and over and over again. Any repetition you do that has flaws in it, and a flaw is also an insecurity. Did I get it right? Was that pick stroke, did I actually have the accent there? You need to be safe, secure, certain inside that you're doing everything right. And just pull back and play slow. That's the way to program your body. Anything that you're fast at doing, right? Like brushing your teeth, like tying your shoelaces. You never rushed that, did you? You never tried to tie your shoelaces fast. You never tried to brush your teeth fast. It just happened as a natural result of doing it, slowly, basically. As you get better, and I suggested you play as fast as you can. Please listen now. As fast as you can, while remaining in complete relaxed control. As soon as you lose control, that's the mistake. So you need to remain there. Because people, like there's some players who say that, I learned to play fast and I was faking it and being sloppy and there wasn't any synchronization all of the time, and then I cleaned it up. Well, cleaning it up is so much harder than just building it from the bottom up. It really is, because you have to unlearn all the crap you learned. Because if you make a lot of mistakes when you practice, what are you practicing? If you make a lot of mistakes when you practice, what are you practicing? You're practicing making mistakes, because that's what you program into your brain. That's what you do all the time, right? You try to play this, I wasn't. Synchronization. What are you doing, right? How is that practicing? How is that training? It's like you wanna learn to put a ball through a basketball hoop. The example I always use. Try to do it fast. What are you learning? Nothing, because the brain doesn't have no time to learn what works and what doesn't work. And feel when is the throw just right? When is it not? There's no learning process going on. There's just an idiot trying to do something very fast because I want to be able to do it fast, so I should try to do it fast. Wrong assumption. It really is. It's idiotic. And the more you think about it, the more idiotic it becomes. So, have fun with this exercise. 2 times, 2 sextuplets right there. Girl. Right? So, have fun with it, and then I look forward to seeing you in the next video. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon.